In the next few minutes, we are launching to you the fantastic, all-new Pothole Pro, a machine that will delight in showing you for the very first time. A machine that will revolutionise the way you repair potholes, using a quarter of the time and at half the cost of traditional methods.
Now let's take a closer look at the new JCB Pothole Pro.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, the JCB Pothole Pro, a truly revolutionary machine designed to cut, crop and clean with one machine. All you need to do is just add tar. As we know, time is money, and this machine saves both. Being able to road to site at 40 kph and get working immediately is vital for an efficient operation. The JCB Pothole Pro has been designed and tested with leading contractors and councils across the UK. We want to fix potholes nationally. Now let's get into the detail. Starting with the rear of the machine, you'll recognise a 600mm planer we've designed with our partners at Cymex. As we know, the average pothole depth is around 40mm, though this planer has the ability to go right down to 170mm. It's been tried and tested on a multitude of surfaces, including hot rolled asphalt. The operator has a choice between either powered or floating tilt. This enables a precise cut regardless of the gradient. And with built-in dust suppression, this planer reduces dust and debris from upsetting potential neighbours or residents. And nobody wants unhappy neighbours. Moving swiftly onto the front of the machine. The JCB 360-degree multi-tool allows the operator to rotate the attachment and crop against different elements. Gone are the days where workforce are being drafted in to use jackhammers or circular saws in order to create those square edges of the pothole. This is a massive safety benefit, reducing the health and safety risk and eliminating hand-arm vibration syndrome. With the JCB Pothole Pro, all of this operation in terms of creating a square edge and a uniform hole profile is done from the comfort of the cab. We believe a permanent repair is absolutely vital. The last thing you want to be doing is revisiting sites you've previously repaired due to reoffending potholes a few months later. On this machine, we've got a 600mm cropping tool fitted to match the planer size, with a variety of different blades or different attachments can be fitted. With this machine, it is absolutely perfect for working around ironworks and street furniture in the road. The ability to rotate the attachment and crop to any angle that suits you is absolutely perfect for this operation. With a traditional brush or bucket mode, the JCB 1.2 metre sweeper allows a large volume of material to be collected in one go. It has been optimised for a variety of different road defects. With a 0.3 cubic metre capacity, it's equivalent to 4.5 metres squared of ground being cleared. This increases productivity, but also allows for total adaptability. This machine is absolutely perfect for working on everything from small potholes right up to large patches. With the ability of bucket mode to lift the brush out the way, it is far less intrusive on wear and tear parts. With JCB, we're always looking for a sustainable future, and the ability to collect your chippings and then dump them into a support vehicle for recycling is absolutely crucial for us. So there is no need for 3 different machines to do the deed. With this unique machine, it is able to cut, crop and clean with one machine.
Pothole Pro is a first, a machine with features to cut, to crop and to clean in just one machine, revolutionising the way we repair potholes. So who will benefit and why? Well, councils will benefit and contractors will benefit. We are fixing a pothole in much less time, from 1 hour down to 8 minutes. That reduction in time means reduction in cost from £60 per pothole down to £30, allowing better use of budgets. Our people will also benefit. The Pothole Pro uses less labour intensity, which gives us greater productivity and much better safety. Our environment will benefit due to zero waste, better recycling and less energy per hole. And customers will benefit because these machines will improve our road network, meaning better for business and better for recreational. So, better for all. It's a no-brainer really. All you need to do is book a demonstration with us. No cost, no obligation. Book with us, we'll turn up to your site with our trained operators, repair potholes with you and show you the cost and time benefit of these machines.